how to make a tree in Little Alchemy 2. If you want to make tree in Little Alchemy 2, by default we have 4 basic elements: air, earth, fire and water. So we'll combine water and water to create a puddle, puddle and puddle to create a pond, pond and pond to create a lake, lake and lake to create a sea, earth and sea to create a primordial soup. Now we'll combine fire and fire to create energy, energy and primordial soup to create a life. Once I've created life, I'll go ahead and get back earth and basically water to go ahead and then create a mud. And once I've created a mud, what I need to do is you need to come back and then we will go ahead and then add earth again, and we will add fire to create a lava. Once we've created lava, we will add air to create a stone, and once we've done that, we will combine stone with mud to create a clay. Once we've created clay, add life to clay to basically create a human. Once we've created a human right here, right? So we went ahead and created a human, add earth and earth to create a land, right? So once I've also created a land, I will go ahead and then add life to this land to create an animal or soil. Now I'll leave the animal aside and I'll keep the soil. I will add life to soil to basically create a plant. Once I've created a plant, I will go ahead and then basically add human to plant to create a farmer. When I will go ahead and then add farmer to create an idea, and add idea and human to create a philosophy. Once I've created philosophy, I will go ahead and add land and land to create a continent. Then basically continent and continent to create a planet, planet and planet to create a solar system, solar system and solar system, right, to create a galaxy, galaxy and galaxy. So let me go ahead and add galaxy and galaxy to basically create galaxy cluster. Galaxy cluster plus galaxy cluster equals universe. And we will basically go ahead and then once we create universe, we will go ahead and then add philosophy to universe to create big. Once we create big, just add plant to big, and just like that you have your tree. This way you'll be able to make a tree in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.